Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make deviled eggs black way. This unique twist on a classic appetizer is surprisingly simple to achieve and will definitely impress your guests. We'll cover everything from dyeing the eggs to creating a creamy, flavorful filling. Get ready to transform ordinary deviled eggs into an extraordinary, eye-catching treat that tastes as good as it looks. Let's dive into the process. First, hard-boil your eggs perfectly. Place 6 large eggs in a pot, cover with cold water, bring to a rolling boil, then turn off the heat and let them sit for 10 minutes. Once cooled and peeled, it's time for the magic. Mix 1 cup of water with 20 drops of black food coloring in a bowl. Submerge your peeled eggs in this solution for at least 30 minutes, or longer for deeper black hue. This step is crucial for that striking appearance.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more unique recipes. On another note, making these eggs can be a bit messy, but cleaning up doesn't have to be. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly. You can find the link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's create that delicious filling. Gently slice your beautifully black eggs in half lengthwise and scoop out the vibrant yellow yolks into a small bowl. Mash these yolks thoroughly with 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of zesty Dijon mustard. For an extra touch of darkness, add just a few drops of black food coloring to the mixture. Stir until it's smooth, well combined, and perfectly black. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble these culinary masterpieces. Using a piping bag, or even just a spoon, carefully fill each black egg white half with the rich, dark yolk mixture. For a pop of color and a hint of smoky flavor, lightly sprinkle each deviled egg with a touch of smoked paprika. Finally, chill your deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and ensures they are perfectly firm for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.